Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to set up your Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 Studio in Garageband. Yes, if for the sake of this video and getting straight to the point, I'm not going to be showing you how I actually connect all the things together because I already have another video on the connection side of things, which I will link up for you now. So do click on it or click on it in the description box as well. Watch that video first, get everything connected, and then come back and watch this one so I can show you how we go around setting everything up. So to begin with, everything is all connected and plugged. This is our audio interface. For this, right, we would need to turn this on. Okay, someone left a comment saying only use the 48V button if your mic can take it or something. I disagree, because when that 48V button is off, you can't even hear yourself. It means that the entire thing is off. So please put on the 48V button, and then if you've got the exact same interface as me, kindly also move. There's a line and there's an instrument, okay, button, like it toggles between line and instrument. You want it to be on line if you're singing, okay? And for this, you need to increase your direct monitoring, and then you see a toggle here as well that says direct monitor off and on, okay? You need it to be on, okay? Because with this, I recommend that it is better to monitor from the interface, okay? So put it at on, and then set your volume levels that you can set when you put your headphones on. And that's pretty much it from this, okay? So just to repeat myself in case you didn't see that, volume you set as you see fit when you put the headphones on. The direct monitor, you need it at the highest, so all the way to the end turned up. You need this direct monitor toggle on. Press your 48V button till it's showing a red light, and then this needs to be online, and then you will set your mic volume when you can hear yourself as well, okay? So let's get into Garageband now, or let's get into the laptop side of things. Okay, so we are in the computer. You can see my screen, I believe. We click on Garageband, which is this, and then we need to create an empty project. When you create the empty project, you need to, obviously mine is already connected here as Scarlett 2i2, but you need to select mic or line audio and click create. The first thing in here, I did a whole video on GarageBand and the settings that you need to do inside of GarageBand before you start singing. So I will also link that video for you. Please make sure that you set your GarageBand right before you do everything else. But the most important thing here is that you select your input and output sound, okay? So you go into GarageBand at the top, click on settings, click on audio or MIDI. Output device needs to be set to Scarlett 2i2 USB. Input needs to be set to Scarlett 2i2 USB. Yeah, perfect. So it was already selected. It was just reminding me that it was already selected. And then I got this question a lot in my previous video, but people also want to know, how do you add the instrumental? So go into your Finder or your folder. You would have downloaded an instrumental either from the internet or one that maybe a producer had sent to you. Basically, you need an instrumental track sitting in your computer laptop. Sometimes I download off of YouTube, just using, you know, some sites to just convert the audio, or by partnering with producers and people like that. So Here I have an instrumental to Clown by Emily Sandé, and all I do is I just drag that and drop it in there, and that's pretty much it. So in terms of now actually recording, you need to click on the record button. I said you'll set the volume levels. So in the Garageband, I already showed you how to do that. In Garageband, so you can take a look at that in that video as mentioned. In Garageband, I do not want to monitor from Garageband. If you click on this monitor button, you'll be hearing an echo because we're already monitoring directly from the audio interface, if you remember. I like to kind of have my volume at just kind of like there, so not at 100%, maybe around 70-80% of the volume. And then I also like to have my mic at, you know, the I. So there's 0, there's 1, and then there's 10. I tend to like to have my mic either at 1 or somewhere around 2 or 3, okay? Because I'm a loud vocalist anyways. And that's pretty much how I set things up in GarageBand. The reason why we monitor directly from the audio interface is so you can hear yourself properly and you're not struggling as a vocalist. So for example, with this song, here's what we would sound like. I guess it's funnier from where you're standing. You can adjust the volume if it's not loud enough. 'Cause from over here I miss the joke. Yeah, I've increased my mic. Clear the way for my crash landing. I've done it again. Another number for your notes. Yeah, this is perfect now. I'd be smiling if I wasn't so desperate. It just gives me a natural feel. I'd be patient if I had the time. I could stop and answer all of your questions as soon as I find out how I can move from the back of the line. Pretty much that's it, guys, for this video. Let me know. I know you guys always have questions. I know you guys always have things that you want to know about this setup. This is my standard setup. I mean, from time to time I would swap out the mic for a better, you know, mic, but in general for beginners this is good. It's great actually. It does the job essentially, and as long as you can hear yourself perfectly fine, and as long as the track that you're singing along to isn't too loud, and you can actually sing, number 3, everything is gonna turn out perfect. Let me know if this was well explained for you. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the comment section below. Till next time, guys, bye.